What's up, you beautiful people? What is this? Oh, it's just people writing their names in the dang dirt. So I just stumbled upon some BLM, which is Bureau of Land Management. Basically, public land, your land, my land. You can camp on here for free. And right next door is a state park, which I stayed at last night. And I didn't even see the sign for this place, but now I'm excited. Look at this. It's definitely dead. Ew. It's like one of those millipede things. So I'm up in this area for just one more day. I've actually been here in Alamogordo, New Mexico for about a week now. And I'm expecting a Amazon package at the mall tomorrow morning. I was actually almost left today. I was at the Honda dealership because they said my airbags would blow up and kill me if I don't get them recalled. So I'm leaving this BLM campsite today. Gotta stop into town, pick up my Amazon package, and then I'm headed to Las Cruces. Oh, I caught some interesting stuff on my trail cam last night too. Well, my package is not here yet. They're gonna be late. So, instead of wasting half a day like I did yesterday, I'm just gonna head up into the mountains today. Well, another successful day in the mountains. Ow! Oh, desert sharp. Whoa. This is the part no one shows you on the old YouTube when they get really pretty sunset shots and time lapses and shit. This is uphill. There's fucking elk poop everywhere. This is painful. But we do it for you. We do it for you. But that's it for me today. Catch you guys on the next one.